What if finding life on Mars would be the absolute worst news humanity could ever receive? The universe is mind-bogglingly vast. It is billions of years old, containing hundreds of billions of galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, and presumably countless Earth-like planets. By all statistical odds, the cosmos should be teeming with life: radio signals, megastructures, interstellar colonies. The galaxy should be noisy with activity. Yet, when we point our telescopes at the sky and listen, all we hear is silence. This is the Fermi Paradox. To solve this, scientists proposed a haunting theory called the Great Filter. It suggests that there is a stage in the development of life that is incredibly rare, or perhaps even nearly impossible to overcome. A barrier that stops life from advancing from a simple, unintelligent state to a multiplanetary interstellar civilization. If the Great Filter exists, it must be either behind us or ahead of us. If it is behind us, then we are incredibly lucky. Perhaps the jump from single-celled to multi-celled life, or the development of human consciousness, was a 1 in a trillion event that would make humanity the lone survivors, free to expand across the galaxy without competition. But what if the filter is in front of us? This is where the theory turns dark. If the filter is in front of us, it implies that every civilization that reaches our current level of technological capability eventually hits an unavoidable wall. Maybe it is self-destruction through nuclear war. Maybe it is the unchecked development of artificial intelligence, or a climate crisis that becomes impossible to manage. It suggests that once a species learns to master its own environment, it inevitably brings about its own extinction before it can spread to the stars. This brings us back to Mars. We are currently obsessed with finding signs of ancient life on the red planet. But if we find fossilized evidence of simple organisms, it might be a death sentence. It would confirm that life is common and arises easily throughout the universe. If life is common, but we see no sign of advanced civilizations, it logically means the Great Filter is ahead of us. It means we are likely not special survivors, but merely the next species in line to hit a wall that has silenced all those before us. The silence of the galaxy might not be a lack of life. It might be a graveyard, and we are just now walking into the section where we are next. If you are ready to ponder the deeper mysteries of our existence, subscribe for more.